Pattex Strong Adhesive is a powerful, all-purpose adhesive that can be used to bond a wide variety of materials, including wood, metal, plastic, glass, and rubber. It is a fast-drying adhesive that creates a strong and durable bond. Pattex Strong Adhesive is also water-resistant and can be used for both indoor and outdoor applications. Here are some of the features and benefits of Pattex Strong Adhesive. Powerful adhesive that can bond a wide variety of materials. Fast drying and creates a strong and durable bond. Water resistant and can be used for both indoor and outdoor applications. Easy to use. Available in a variety of sizes and formats. Pattex Strong Adhesive is a versatile and effective adhesive that can be used for a variety of tasks, such as repairing broken objects, mounting objects on walls and other surfaces, bonding materials for DIY projects, creating crafts and decorations. To use Pattex Strong Adhesive, simply apply a thin layer of adhesive.